fix Mozilla Firefox running slow. So if the Mozilla Firefox browser is running slow, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is to fix it. There are a couple of things that you need to understand. Now, first of all, what we're going to do is once we open our Firefox browser, you want to check for any third-party extensions that is not necessary for you. So you can go to the extensions tab, and if there is any extensions that you don't need, you can just right click on it and remove the extension from your browser. Click on the three dots option, and next up you want to simply go to settings. From settings you'll find all this. You want to go to privacy and security. From privacy and security you'll find is delete cookies and site data. You can click on this clear data button, and here you can select history, cookies and data, cache files, and just hit the clear button. Since when, you can choose that time, since everything or all time, click on clear, and that should help you solve the problem. You can also check if you have any sort of updates from a Firefox browser, and if there is an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.